Hello and welcome again. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the concepts of date and time format. Like in our last session, we understand the concept of numbers and text format. So let's see how this date and time format work for us. So if suppose first you can see date format, how we can enter the dates. If you have to enter a date, you can write a date like let's say 1 FEB 24. You can write a date like this and it will accept. If you want to write 1 minus 4 minus 25, it will accept a date like this also. If you simply write 1 FEB, then also it will accept. Okay, if you write 12 MAR 25, then also it will accept. Okay, it's all about the way you want to enter. Even it will accept 12 backslash 4 backslash 25. It will accept the dates, not backslash, it's like a minus sign for that one. Okay, it will accept the dates. So if you want to write a date like suppose 12 backslash let's say 4 backslash 25, it will 24, it will accept the dates. So whatever the way you want to enter, at the end it will convert the formatting and show you those one. But if you suppose you see I want to write 12 May 2025 2025, I'm trying 12 May 2025, but it will convert into a normal format of 12 May or something in normal format like that. So if you want to change the format into a big letter, like I want to type a full dates like 12 March 2025, 12 March 2024, 12 March 2023, okay, or in numbers format you want to type, then what you can do, you can select the area where you want to apply. Okay, suppose this is 1 and I'm writing 12, let's say December 25. Okay, it will accept a date like this. So I want whatever date I want to write, whether it is in this way, even if I'm trying to write this one, it will convert this number. So what I want, I need full letters, I need full sentences. So you can select the format or where you want to apply. Okay, now if you're selecting it, you can go there, you can say here we have a short format, but short format will only convert into numbers, but still I am not getting 2025 or 2024 or something like that. Okay, so you select the area where you want to apply. Multiple options are there. One option, you can click on this arrow in home tab, you go to number format, so a dialog box will appear like this. Or you can simply click this small arrow here. Okay, it will also show you the same option. Or you can select this option, right click, and we have a format cell. This is very good options because every time you may not be in your home tab. So when you are not in a home tab, then you can simply right click and click on format cell. You will get this format cell dialog box, or simply press control 1 from the keyboard. After selecting, you will get the same format one. Now once you get the format, here also you will get the date, and multiple formats are located here. If you want to choose any date and time format, you can select this one. Else, you can also go to custom and search the date. Let's say this one, DD-MM-YY. Okay, DD-MM-YY. Now here you can see this name DD. DD represents the date, MM represents month, and YY for year. Now DD can be 2 letters only, means you have 01 date, 02 date, 3, 4, 5, and maximum it will be 30, 31 in a month. Maximum. It will be only 2 digit. But when it comes to month, if you want to show 2 digit, means like MM represents the numbers like 01, 02, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, and 12, means 12th month, maximum 12. So if you want to show the number like 5, 12, 2024, 2025, then you can write MM. If you want to show the name like DEC, December, then you can write MMM. Capital letter or small letter doesn't matter. Okay, so when you show MMM, you can see, even see when I remove this M, I can see the format here 12, 05, 25. But when I write M, one more M after this, it will show me the name. Same case, YY represents only the numbers of the years. But if you write YY 4 times, Y and Y 4 times, it will show you the full date. Now, once you have this date format, just make it okay. and here you can see it will show you the full date of this one. Same case if you want, suppose here I select this format cell, and in the same format if I write one more M, 4M, then it will show you full month name. Okay, not half month name, like full month. You can say June, July, December. So if I write 1 DEC 25, it will show me full month of December. Okay, full month here, you can see 1 month. So it depends upon how you want to make the entries, like a number format or a name format of the dates. If you want to apply, simply select this. Okay, go to the format cell here. You want to apply, if you have already some format and you want to copy the format, so click on the format, go to the format painter and apply wherever you want. It will show you full format. So we need uniformity in our typing. Same case, we have a time format. If you are going for the time format, now you have to write, let's say 12 p.m. So 12 p.m. will not accept. We need to write 12 space p.m. Then it will accept, or 12 space p. Okay, it will accept, or 12 space a, it will accept. So a and p till 12 it will accept. A and P letters are registered for the number 1 to 12. After 12, it won't make, 13. 13, it's not like 13 a.m. or 13 p.m. 13 is an hours, 24 hours. So if it is 12-hour format, then we will not be able to write a.m. or p.m. So it will not accept, let's say I'm writing 15 p.m. It won't accept because there is no 15 p.m. 15 p.m. is, it's like it will be like a 15 hours, not 15 p.m. Okay, so you can type a date like this, similar, like 12 double dot 45 a.m. or p or p.m. you can write, it will accept it. So like the way you can enter date and time format, even in the time also we can select, right click, go to format cell, and here we have again time format. So different types of formats are there. The way you want to represent time means hours, minute, and even the seconds. You can choose even seconds also, am, pm you want to show, like that way you can click it from it and you can use this. Else you can go to custom, and here also we have different types of time format. If you want to customize something, you can customize something here. Okay, this is how the date and time format work in Excel. I hope you understand the concept of entering date and time format. Right? See you again in our next lesson with some more formats. Till then, thank you.